Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button, and don't forget to hit that bell right there on the bottom right hand corner. That'll keep you updated with all our Hobby Box Breaks. All right, we are in Garbage Pail Kids Food Fight Week. That will lead into Sapphire Week. But we're gonna break it up just a little bit and do a little extra video here for you. We are doing a Walking Dead Hunters and the Hunted. And as always, with our breaks, we always put something into our flawless briefcase there. And if you want a chance at winning that, leave a comment down in the comments, and we will enter you in for 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for the flawless giveaway and one for our March mystery giveaway. We got some goodies in this black bag here, so check out our previous videos. You might be able to figure out what's going in there. And for the flawless inserts that we're gonna stick in there is a whole bunch of orange parallels and a, what's this? It's a special Rick card. I guess you'll have to check out the previous video that we did on the Walking Dead break. So check that out and you'll find out what that special card is that's going into the flawless briefcase. All right, let's check this out. See what we get. The season 8 break that we did. This is Hunters and Hunted. Alrighty. Oh. Looks like a special pack. We'll do that last. Alrighty. Something good. Otis. I guess this is one of the special orange parallels. Alrighty. Otis, he was also in Constantine, his that actor. We got a Schumpert. Amber orange parallel. Oh, Herschel, Miss Herschel. It's a good dude. CQ, Henry. Scene. Man, I don't know. That Hunter's special pack, it looks really thick. We might have got something good in there. Leaders. Bob Stuckey. They took a chunk out of you there, Bob. Ooh, what's this? Andy? Oh, Andy is number 13/25. Well, that's cool. 13/25, Andy. Green parallel. Super. Got an orange parallel. guys, if I missed something in this, let me know. Not exactly a connoisseur of the Walking Dead cards. So just let me know in the comments. And when you do, you will get 2 entries into our drawings. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, so every time a video pops up, you can leave a comment. Even on our Frozen unboxing. If you got a little sister, you can let her see that one. Tara? I remember Tara. Beatrice. And there's Maggie. All right, here we go. What you've been waiting for. Ooh, this feels super thick. Okay. Exciting. Ooh. Okay, we got a Carl Pelter. So we got Topps Hunters and Hunted series card features a commemorative weapon medallion from AMC's The Walking Dead. And this is numbered to 50. 20 of 50. Oh, that's cool. Carol's little machete. And this is a numbered one too. 20 to 50. Big hit. Nice. Dig it. Got 2 numbered cards. We got a partner's card there. But the nice big hits is the green parallel. It is numbered to 25 of Andy and Carol's machete. So nice hits. It's a little something to break up the food fight week. But thanks for watching, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think.